As gaming laptops grow more powerful, they generate more heat, making effective cooling essential for peak performance, comfort, and device longevity. In 2024, gaming laptops boast some of the most advanced cooling technologies yet, with unique designs, efficient fans, and upgraded thermal materials. In this video, we will see the top 7 gaming laptops with outstanding cooling systems for a smooth gaming experience. Number 1. ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18. The ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18 sets the standard for effective cooling in high-performance gaming laptops. This laptop leverages vapor chamber technology, which covers the CPU and GPU, dispersing heat more evenly and efficiently. ASUS enhances this system with a liquid metal thermal compound on both the CPU and GPU, reducing temperatures by up to 10 degrees Celsius for maximum performance. To keep the system cool under the heaviest gaming loads, the Strix Scar 18 includes a robust 4-fan configuration and exhaust designed to maintain strong airflow. ASUS also provides software-based cooling modes Silent, Performance, and Turbo, allowing gamers to switch between different fan speeds based on workload. These features make the ROG Strix Scar 18 ideal for those who want a high-performance laptop that stays cool through intense gaming sessions. Number 2. Alienware X17R2. Alienware's X17R2 is known for its slim design and potent cooling system called Alienware Cryo-Tech, which ensures optimal thermal management during intensive gaming. This laptop utilizes Alienware's exclusive Element 31 thermal interface material, which significantly improves heat transfer between the CPU and the cooling system, maximizing performance. Its unique quad-fan design is engineered to remove heat efficiently from crucial components, allowing the system to maintain low temperatures even under heavy workloads. With strategically placed exhausts, heat is directed away from the user, adding comfort during use. The advanced heat pipes, which cover multiple internal components, help balance overall temperatures, preventing overheating issues. These cooling technologies make the Alienware X17R2 an excellent choice for those looking for a thin, high-performance laptop with reliable cooling. Number 3. MSI Titan GT77 HX. The MSI Titan GT77 HX excels in cooling efficiency, particularly for a laptop with desktop-grade components. It employs Cooler Boost Titan technology, which includes 3 large fans and 6 exhaust vents to effectively dissipate heat from internal components. Each major component, including the CPU and GPU, has dedicated heat pipes and fans, keeping them cooler and reducing thermal interference. Additionally, a vapor chamber spans the laptop's main areas, ensuring optimal heat dissipation. MSI provides adjustable fan speeds, allowing gamers to control the fan intensity based on performance requirements. This powerful cooling system ensures that the Titan GT77 HX can sustain peak performance, making it perfect for hardcore gamers who demand consistent cooling and reliability. Number 4. Razer Blade 18. The Razer Blade 18 combines sleek design with an advanced cooling system that supports intense gaming sessions. This laptop features Razer's proprietary vapor chamber cooling technology, which efficiently spreads heat across the chassis to prevent hotspots. To complement this, a dual fan setup maintains effective airflow, keeping temperatures manageable without producing excessive noise. The Blade 18 also incorporates a thin fin array, designed to facilitate faster heat dissipation by maximizing surface area within the cooling system. Users can adjust fan profiles to balance performance and noise levels, providing a quieter gaming experience when desired. The Blade 18's cooling system not only ensures stable performance but also maintains the laptop's sleek, portable form. Number 5. Acer Predator Helios 16. The Acer Predator Helios 16 stands out with its powerful hardware and excellent cooling solution, making it a great choice for gaming enthusiasts. It is equipped with 5th-gen AeroBlade 3D metal fans uniquely shaped to increase airflow and reduce noise for better overall cooling. A dual fan layout combined with a vapor chamber and multiple exhaust vents keeps temperatures under control during demanding gaming sessions. To improve thermal transfer, high-quality thermal grease is used, facilitating efficient heat movement away from the CPU. Additionally, Acer's Cool Boost technology automatically boosts fan speed during heavy usage, enabling quicker cooling when required. This combination of cooling technologies ensures that the Predator Helios 16 can handle intense gaming without sacrificing performance. Number 6. Lenovo Legion Pro 7i. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7i is a top pick for gamers due to its innovative Cold Front 4.0 cooling technology, which manages heat exceptionally well, even in intense gaming situations. Cold Front 4.0 incorporates a smart intake design and copper heat pipes, which enhance airflow and heat distribution within the system. An AI-tuned fan system intelligently adjusts fan speeds based on real-time system demand, making the cooling both efficient and quiet. Additionally, 4 thermal sensors are strategically placed throughout the laptop, monitoring temperatures to ensure that heat remains balanced. The vapor chamber further improves heat spread, reducing hotspots and enhancing user comfort. These features make the Legion Pro 7i a reliable option for gamers who need a cooling system that supports uninterrupted, high-performance gameplay. Number 7. HP Omen 17. The HP Omen 17 offers a well-rounded package with advanced cooling capabilities tailored for high-performance gaming. It uses Omen Tempest cooling technology, which features triple-sided venting and 5-way airflow for enhanced heat dissipation across the laptop's chassis. The dual large fans are designed to deliver powerful airflow without generating excessive noise, making for quieter performance. For even distribution of heat, a combination of vapor chambers and heat pipes covers both the CPU and GPU, ensuring that each component receives adequate cooling. Dynamic power management adjusts power and cooling based on workload, enabling consistent performance during demanding gaming. These cooling features allow the HP Omen 17 to deliver stable, long-lasting gaming power, making it ideal for gamers looking for a robust and efficient cooling solution. Conclusion. In 2024, gaming laptops are equipped with innovative cooling systems to handle the thermal demands of high-performance components. From vapor chambers to specialized fan designs and dynamic thermal management, these cooling technologies help maintain peak performance, prevent overheating, and provide a comfortable gaming experience. Whether you're a pro gamer or an enthusiast of graphically intense games, the ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18, Alienware X17R2, MSI Titan GT77 HX, Razer Blade 18, Acer Predator Helios 16, Lenovo Legion Pro 7i, and HP Omen 17 offer some of the best cooling solutions in the market. With these choices, you can enjoy immersive gameplay without concerns over overheating or throttling. Choose the model that best suits your gaming needs and budget, and experience high-performance gaming on the go. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.